In this video, I will show you how to connect to your VPS using an SSH client. While there are plenty of ways to do this, like using the default Windows terminal or the popular app PuTTY, my personal favorite is Termius. Termius offers a beautiful, modern graphical user interface and is packed with all the features we need. Best of all, the core version is completely free. You can unlock extra features with paid plans, but we will not need them for this tutorial. First, head over to the official Termius website. You can use the link I have provided in the video description to go directly to the download page. Download the version for your operating system and open the file. It will automatically install on your device and open up when finished. Click on Get Started. To use Termius, you need to log into your account. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. If not, do not worry. Creating a new account takes less than a minute. Just enter your email address in the box and click Continue with Email. Termius will send a verification code to your inbox. Open your email and copy the code. Then paste it back into Termius, and then set a strong password. Click Continue, and simply skip through the next few confirmation screens until you reach the main menu. Now let's add your VPS and connect to it. As you can see, I have two windows open side by side. On the left is my browser showing the server details I received from my provider. On the right is Termius. If you are new to servers and do not know how to buy one, check out my video titled How to Create a VPS Server. You can click the info card in the top right corner right now, or find the link in the description below. To add your server, click on the New Host button at the top left of the Termius window. You only need 3 pieces of information: the server IP address, the username, and the password. We have all of these from our HostVDS email. First, paste the server IP into the IP box. Next, enter the username, which is usually root. Finally, enter your password. Once that is done, click the arrow button at the top right to save the host details. Your VPS is now added to Termius. Every time you want to connect, simply click on this new server profile and select Quick Connect. Since this is your first time connecting, it will ask for a security confirmation. Just select Add and Continue, and you will successfully connect to your server. Now you will see the beautiful Termius command line interface. You can easily customize this terminal with the right side menu. You can choose a theme for the Termius terminal. I am enabling the Hacker Green theme because it looks amazing. You can also change the font and adjust the font size to make it smaller or bigger. Additionally, you can hide the side panel entirely by clicking the menu icon at the top right. You are now fully connected to your server and ready to run your commands. And that's it. You have successfully installed Termius and connected to your VPS. While you could use the built-in Windows terminal without installing anything, it lacks a user-friendly interface and advanced features. PuTTY is another popular choice, but its design is very outdated. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference, but for me, Termius is the absolute best option. It takes just a minute to set up, and it provides a beautiful workspace. I have a lot more step-by-step, easy-to-follow videos like this on the channel. In the next video, I will show you how to create a personal VPN on your server. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you get notified as soon as that drops. Your support encourages me to keep making these tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.